Here is a year in review folio series that I promised that I would show you how to make 4 folios out of the 12 folios. So hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make folio number 1. Alright, so there's 12 folios in this series, but I'm only going to teach you 4 of them. If you would like the other 8 folios, and they are all made all different, okay? There's not a one of them that is made the same. So if you would like to go pick this up, right now I have it half price, okay? And I'll keep it that way for a little while, and then I'll turn it back to full price. But for right now, while we are going to be making these, I will have it half price for you, okay? But there is 12 folios in the whole series, but I will be teaching you how to make 4 of them from start to finish, all right? So go grab it. Go grab it, guys, while it's half price. And I'll keep it probably that way for a little while longer, too. And then I'll flip it over to back to regular price. So go grab it, guys. Okay, I'll put the link down below to where you can go grab it. Alright, I do have my pieces all cut, and I will give you all the measurements that you need through this. So grab you a pen and piece of paper so you can write them down. Or you can go purchase the tutorial, okay? So I have 2 folios that are number 1, and they're decorated a little bit different, okay? So here's this one. And I did put tie-back on the spine, and I've showed you how to put tie-back on the spine. But there's the cover, and there's the back of it. So you open it up, and then you have a flip, and you have a pocket here. Now look at what I've done here. It's one of those full sheets of 12 by 12 paper that, you know, sometimes we just don't know what to do with it. And I put it on here. How beautiful does that look? That's a great way of using up, you know, one of those sheets that you really just don't know what to do with. And of course, you know, you can put a photo here, or you can cover it up. Just totally up to you. We have a pocket here. And then on this side, we have a flip. And again, I've done that 12 by 12 piece. And, you know, cut it to where it matched. And then we have that. Alright. Now this one here is the same thing, but this was when I first made it with 1/4 of an inch, and it got too bulky, so I made it 1/2 inch. But I want to show you how differently it's decorated. I didn't even decorate the back. Whoops. How differently it looks. Okay. How different something can look. And then again, here's our pocket. You know, the same thing where I done that 12 by 12, but it's just decorated a little bit different. But I wanted to show you this one too. Very cute. Very cute. And this is a Simple Stories Cottage Fields collection. The other one was a Craftsmith collection from Michael's was the other one. Alright. So I've got my pieces all cut. You're going to need piece A and piece B. Okay. Piece A is 7.5 by 10. Piece B is 8.5 by 10. Okay. And then you're going to score on the 8.5 inch side at 1/2 inch and 1 inch. Okay. So this is piece A and B. All right. All right. All right. So piece B, we're going to fold on our score lines and burnish. All right. Now what this does is piece A is just going to slide right in there like that. Okay, so we're going to put the tape on the bumpy side, and I'm going to keep my tape closer to the cut edge. Okay, that way if it doesn't get on there quite straight, my tape is not gonna show. Okay, and how I do mine is I just fold on that. I place piece A right in there. Okay, right up against there. Okay, and I've got it lined up. Then I hold everything down, fold that back, take my tape off, and then fold her back. Okay, so just like that. Now we have our cover. Okay, so just like this. All right. So now you're going to need 2 pieces of C. All right. Here, let's go ahead and get these out of the way. Let's go ahead and get our tape on these. Okay. So piece C, you're going to need 2 of them. Okay. Piece C, you're going to need 2 of them. And we're applying our tape to the indented side. Okay, we're applying tape to the indented side. When we score, there is an indented side and a bumpy side. This one here, we attached it to the bumpy side. But that's very rare that we do that, okay? So to the indented side. I didn't get my tape on straight. Alright, that's piece C. And you need 2 of them at 7 1/4 by 9, and you score on the 7 1/4 inch side at 1/2 inch. All right. Piece D. You need 2 of these. Okay. You need 2 of these, and they're 6 by 8 1/4, and you're going to score on the 6 inch side at 1/2 inch. Okay. And I wrote it here. Hopefully you can see it. But it's 2 pieces at 6 by 8 1/4. Score on the 6 inch side at 1/2 inch. All right. You need 2 of those, please. 2 of those. All right. So now we're just going to fold towards the bumpy side and burnish. Fold towards the bumpy side and burnish. Do this to both pieces, please. You're going to do the same thing with D. Okay. Okay. All right, so you're going to have piece C. Okay, so here's our 2 pieces of C. One's going on the ends, and let me show you. Okay, here's our piece C. One of them, piece D, is on the outside, and on the other one, it's on the inside. Okay. So piece C, you're going to put them like this. Okay. You're going to apply one on the inside front cover. You're going to line it up from top to bottom. Okay. Lining it up from top to bottom, same amount of space. And then take your tape off. This is a really simple folio. Really simple. Not much to it. Okay, this one, you're doing the same thing. And I'm just going to line it right up with my other one. Okay. Okay, now you have 2 pieces of D. This one on the right hand side is going to go right on top. You're going to line it up on the side and with the same amount of space from top to bottom and apply your tape. Okay, so you have a flip and a flip. Okay, now on this other side, it's on the inside of piece C. Here's piece C that would just attach. This goes on the inside. Okay, on the inside. Okay, so just like that. Now we have a pocket here, which is piece E. Okay, piece E is 6 1/4 by 8 1/4. Now you're going to score 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. Okay, so on the 8 1/2 inch side, you're going to score at 8. Or wait, I'm sorry. On the 6 1/4 inch side, you're going to score at 5 3/4. Turn her clockwise and score 1/2 inch. So you want this side 1/2 inch and this side 1/2 inch. Because see, we want our pocket facing this way. All right. So let's do this. Let's get our tape on first. Oops. Okay, we're going to put our tape on the indented side. Okay, on the indented side. All right. Now we're going to miter this corner, and what that is where we scored. It forms an X. So you're going to cut right through that X, right through that X. Okay. What that does is it reduces bulk. Now you're going to fold. Okay. Fold towards the bumpy side. Okay. So just like that. Now we're going to angle this. Okay, so on the here's our folds. Okay, this is our folded. Right? So you're going to go 3 inches up on the non-folded side, make a little tick mark. Now you're going to go 3 inches in at the top. Okay, 3 inches in from the top. Let me make sure. Yep, that's what I thought. Okay. 3 inches in from the folded side. And make a little tick mark. Okay, folded side, 3 inches. 3 inches in, 3 inches up. Now, what you're going to do is connect your dots. Or connect your little tick marks. Alright. So connect your little tick marks. Now you're just going to cut that off. Okay? You're just going to cut that off. So it should look like that when you're all done. Alright? So now you're going to grab this. And right here is our 2 pieces of C, and then this opens up. So right here, okay. Now you can set your pocket to where you have the pretty paper peeking through. So if you do that, you want to put your paper down first, then put your pocket if you want the pretty paper peeking through on the sides. Or you can just kind of put it down at the bottom and about 1/8 of an inch away from the fold line. 1/8 of an inch away from your fold line, okay? And when you got it, take your tape off. Like I said, this is an easy one. Well, they're all easy. I mean, really. There's a couple of them that is not really complicated. They're just a little bit different. Because I wanted each folio to be a little bit different. So if you purchase the tutorial and you only want to make you know, like 4 of them, then you can just do, you know, 3 sets of each. You can pick and choose which ones you want. I even have a couple of them that are a waterfall style. I have 2 of them, number 11 and number 12, that are waterfall style. Matchbox, I guess, waterfall. Matchbox style, that's like this. Okay. But in these, I wanted to do where you could do every month. So every month you could do it, and then and also when you purchase this, the Facebook Live classes will be in there on how to make the box. There is a box that goes with this tutorial, okay? And I will put my, if you purchase this, you will get the Facebook Lives in with this if you purchase this, okay? And then that way, if you want to make the box, you can. Or if you want to just make a couple of folios, you can. You want to make all 12, you can, to document each month. Maybe the baby's first year you want to document. You could do school years. Totally up to you, okay? So there is our folio. You open it up like that. You have a pocket, flip, and a flip. And I gave you plenty of room with a 1/2 inch gusset, okay? All right, that's folio number 1. I will be releasing the other 3 videos, so that way you can make 4 of them. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this folio. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. All right, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.